I love real estate. I do. I'm Susan Ryan of Coldwell Banker Bain in Bellevue, Washington. Love houses, love people, love putting people in houses they love. Helping my clients to get the most for their home when they're ready to sell, whether it's bringing in fresh flowers or accessories to make your home picture perfect. I put the service in Full Service Realtor. That's why when it comes to excellence in real estate advice and representation, my clients think Ryan. Let me show you a few of them and you'll know what I mean. See, they're so happy they thought Ryan for real estate. Why, they're jumping for joy. Whatever it takes to make you jump for joy, that's what I do. Whether you need to look at 5 or 50 houses to find the one that says home to you. Staging and photographing your home to show it at its best. To garner top dollar, whatever it takes, that's what I do. Think Ryan for real estate, and you'll be jumping for joy as well. I'd love to show what excellence in real estate advice and representation can mean for you. Give me a call. Let's get started.